Timer switches, as the name suggests, are a type of switch that helps turn the bathroom fan on or off. These units offer several time settings to automate the working of fans. There are many products available to choose timer switch for bathroom fan, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices, to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best timer switch for bathroom fan from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Wall Countdown Timer Switch. The first product to feature on the list comes from Enerlights, a brand known for its electronic control devices. With over 2 decades of experience, it offers energy-efficient products to consumers. The Enerlights HET6A timer switch supports a wide range of devices. This unit features a sturdy body made up of polycarbonate thermoplastic. Users get over 6 different timer settings, ranging from 1 minute to 30 minutes. The unit is designed to run with a 1/4 HP fan, 800W incandescent, or 800V light bulbs. It also features steel mounting plates for secure installation. Being a well-listed unit, users won't have to worry about electrocution while operating the switch. Running on the 120V AC supply, a separate neutral wire is required for the switch. It also features a blue notification LED, which helps in locating the switch in darkness. Number 2. G Push Button Countdown Timer Switch. G is a synonymous name for households and industries thanks to a larger portfolio of products. These products are developed with strict quality standards to ensure good reliability and durability. The G15318 Push Button Timer Switch is ideal for situations where fans are turned off after a long period. This switch offers 6 different timer settings ranging from 5 minutes to a maximum 4-hour limit. A revised electrical circuit helps in setting time for a 1/4 HP fans, 800W tungsten, 800 ballast, etc. components. It uses a simple circuit including a direct wire, eliminating the need for a neutral wire. This unit is rated for a 125V AC supply and comfortably works with stable power transfer. Being a WOL certified unit, it does not pose any danger to the user while operating. The mounting and wall plates help in installation and maintain a clean look for the switch. Number 3. ENERLITES 4-Hour Countdown Timer Switch. The ENERLITES HET6W timer switch is suitable for controlling multiple fans. Both switches in the combo pack offer 6 adjustable timer settings with a minimum 5-minute and maximum 4-hour limit. Operating on a 120V AC power supply, this timer switch supports half HP fan, 1200W tungsten light, electronic ballasts, 5A LED bulbs, and other devices. Apart from promoting energy savings, this all-listed unit also ensures user safety. It uses a blue LED light to notify the user about successful settings. With a warranty coverage of 1 year, it also helps the user against accidental damages or manufacturing defects. Similar to its younger sibling, this unit also requires a neutral wire during installation. Number 4. BN-Link Countdown Digital and Wall Timer Switch. BN-Link manufactures and distributes a wide range of premium home improvement products. Focusing on consumer needs, it continuously updates the product range and offers better after-sales service. The BN-Link 60 Brunei dollars timer switch easily blends with bathroom walls. It offers 6 different timer settings, starting from 5 minutes which goes up to the 60-minute mark. The user also gets a repeat function that sets the timer every day for the selected time setting. A manual override button is also offered to cancel the timer setting. This unit works fine with half HP fans, ballasts, bulbs, etc. The switch is rated for a 125V AC power supply and requires a neutral wire during installation. Each button on the switch gets a dedicated LED indicator which assists the user in low light conditions. A compact design helps in mounting the timer switch anywhere on the wall, with steel plates. ETL certification and IP54 rating make the unit safe for use in moist conditions. Number 5. TOPGRENER Timer Switch for Bathroom Fans. The TOPGRENER timer switch for bathroom fans has an aesthetic design. With this timer switch, the user can set 6 different times for the bathroom fan, from 1 minute to 60 minutes. It is compatible with a half HP fan, 150W LED bulb, 800W CFL, incandescent bulbs, and many other components. A blue notification LED offers information about timer selection to the user. The plastic body comfortably houses larger buttons and metallic mounting plates. It also carries a WOL 94V2 rating against flammability to work between 32 to 131 degrees Fahrenheit temperature. To ensure efficient operation of the times, it must be connected to a 120V AC power supply. It also offers a 1-year warranty as safety coverage for consumers. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.